enjoy. And I tackle some of the most challenging rooms in a home and turn them into a destination the homeowners will love. In this video, I am sharing with you all the best of DIY DUO Redesign 2020. In the midst of a global pandemic, everyone wanted something improved in their home. In episode 1, I transform a blah, outdated bedroom into a totally dope digital recording lounge. Some paint, some repurposed furniture, a few new purchases, and we are on our way to a brand new room. In episode 2, I transform a small, cluttered, and unorganized home office into a space that inspires peace, playfulness, and productivity. This home office is now set up to be the destination the homeowner loves. When a Harvard college student is Forced by COVID to complete her final semester from home, her mother is determined to give her a space that inspires creativity, peace, and focus. Check out these snippets from episode 3. Even the most organized homeowners can sometimes need some help. In episode 4, I rescue an overstuffed, unorganized garage and restore the space to its original identity, a clean, calming photo studio that the homeowner loves. Be sure to subscribe so you do not miss a single episode of DIY DUO Redesign. Lastly, leave me a comment. Let me know what kinds of rooms you'd like to see me transform, and I'll make sure to deliver.